This week we're going to highlight the trade estimates for Friday's USDA reports. Then we're going to take a look at the change in price for March corn futures on the day that those reports are released. Then we're going to turn our attention to an ongoing weather market with Argentina corn, turn our attention back to U.S. export sales trends, and wrap things up with a long-term review of December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We moved in the second week of January here, and that means it's time for the monthly supply-demand report from the USDA. In addition to the supply-demand report, which will be released on Friday, January 10th, we're also going to get the quarterly grain stocks report that day. We're also going to get the final estimate of the 2024 crop size. Let's take a look at the trade estimates for those reports. Again, a very busy day here on Friday, January 10th, 11 a.m. Central Time. Look at that, the crop projections there for final crop size on corn. Fairly wide range on crop size still. Over 200 million bushel crop size range there. Look at the stocks range, a very wide range for stocks. Over 400 million bushels there. And getting down to the bottom line, however, this is what we want to highlight. Look at that ending stocks number. 1675 is what the average trade estimate is. But look at that range of trade guesses. That's 275 million bushels on trade, range of trade guesses. So here's the key message. Given this potential for volatility in this report, we strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to have your risk management positions in place prior to the release of the report. Speaking of the potential for price volatility, let's take a look at the history of the price change for March corn futures on the date that that report is released. Again, we're looking at the last 15 years here. Some years it's rather quiet, but many years here we do see some price volatility both to the upside and to the downside. That's why we encourage you to have your positions in place prior to the report. Let's switch gears now and focus on South America, specifically looking at Argentina. Early corn in Argentina is pollinating as we speak. Let's take a look at where that corn is produced. Early corn here in Argentina, 5 main provinces: Córdoba, Buenos Aires, Santa Fe, Santiago del Estero. Let's take a look at the weather trends now for Argentina. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. Starting out here looking at a few key points. Most importantly, look at that orange box in the lower right-hand corner. It looks like due to some high pressure, we're not going to have much rain in Argentina here short term. And that red box in the upper left-hand corner associated with that then is a blocking ridge, which will mean high temperatures. Let's take a little closer look at the short-term forecast. We're looking here again, the next 14 days, all across that area highlighted in gray is going to be dry. So it looks like as corn goes through pollination in Argentina, not going to be ideal conditions. What about temperatures? Anything to the left of that red line, it's going to be 90 to 100 degrees over the next 14 days. Picture what that could do to Midwest corn in mid to late July. Let's quantify now precipitation over the next 14 days. All across that red area is going to be very dry, so we are in the midst of a weather market at this time. Let's now turn our attention to export trends here in the U.S. Our first slide here looks at unshipped U.S. export sales of corn. Now we're going to remove China from the equation, as it were, and we're looking at a record amount of unshipped corn on the books here as of the end of December to all destinations excluding China. However, here's the key message we want to highlight. Despite this impressive unshipped export sales total, December to February export pace is 90 to 100 million bushels below expectations. Could possibly there be a left hook bearish surprise coming in Friday's USDA supply-demand report? Let's wrap things up looking at trends in December corn. Now, December corn, as you tape here on Tuesday, is trading near 445 bushel. We strongly encourage you to continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to get your positions in place for 2025 production. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. And make sure to join our ATI Pro Media team shortly before 11 a.m. on Friday, January 10th, for a live update after the USDA report. Then we'll follow it up at 1:30 p.m. Central Time with a detailed market analysis. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.